Behavior-specific praise refers to praise statements that name the exact behavior being acknowledged. In short, it is spoken acknowledgement used to let your child know they have met your expectations. Behavior-specific praise is a strategy used to teach new behaviors and reinforce expected or desired behaviors. When using behavior-specific praise, state the expected behavior as opposed to general praise such as thank you or good job. For example, Johnny, thank you for washing your hands with soap for 20 seconds as soon as you came in from playing outside. While both types of praise help create a positive atmosphere, in naming the specific behavior, your child will be clear about the behaviors you want them to continue. In this example, Johnny will most likely remember to wash his hands with soap upon entering your home in the future because he was clear on the expectation and it was positively noticed and acknowledged by his family. Here is how you can use behavior-specific praise at home. Reflect on your current use of general praise, like good job, and behavior-specific praise, like I see that you cleaned your room today. Identify the behaviors you would like your child to do more of in the future. As a tip, if you built an expectation matrix with your family, focus on those behaviors. Practice giving behavior-specific praise. Notice your child's behavior throughout the day. Provide behavior-specific praise when you notice desired behavior. Make a mental note of how often you are giving behavior-specific praise throughout the day. Finally, ask your child what they think about receiving behavior-specific praise from you. For additional resources to support educators and families, please visit ci3t.org/COVID.